What's up, everybody? My name is Alex. I'm on the team here at Hennessey Performance, and I am in a 2018 Ford F-150 with the 10-speed in it and a 5-liter V8, and we put our HPE750 package on it. 750 horsepower, supercharged V8. This thing's gonna be a blast. Let's see what it does 0 to 100. All right, and we're off. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Oh my god. For a truck, that's crazy. Get on the brakes here a little bit. Wow. So I've driven a lot of trucks. I love Raptors, love GM trucks with superchargers, but to be honest, this 10-speed with the supercharger on the 5.0 is like, it's pretty nice. We did 0 to 100 pretty quick. This is a big 4x4 truck. I mean, it's fast.